everyone, this is the Twinport Hotel in Singapore, and this is the pathway leading to the hotel. Follow me and let's check it out. And this is my room for the night in the Joo Koon. And this is the express check-in, the self-check-in service. And I'm staying in the premium room, and it comes with the driver's seats, and it's very awesome. The premium room, it comes with the driver's seats and the emergency exits. And over there, these are the seat controls, the train controls. It's very impressive. And this is the outdoor area, and there's a table and chairs with shelter.